Hello friends, today we are going to see about automating variable selection in linear regression using R. So let me start with a question. How do you find the important predictors in your dataset? Generally, we go for R-squared and adjusted R-squared. So what is R-squared? So R-squared, it is used to determine the goodness of fit. Value nearer to 1, better is our model. But we do have a problem with R-squared. And the problem is that the value of R-squared always increases as new variable is added to the model, and hence it can lead to overfitting of the model. And that's why we go for adjusted R-squared. Adjusted R-squared, it is a modified form of R-squared whose value increases only if the predictor improves the model performance significantly. So here we go into our variable selection function. The input to our function is the dataset, vectors of predictors, and the response variable. So what the function does is, it will get all the subset of the predictors, fit linear regression model, and returns the value of R-squared, adjusted R-squared, and p-value. So the output, it is a data frame of values of R-squared, adjusted R-squared, and the p-value. Here is the pseudocode of our function variable selection. So we start by creating a subset of predictors, and this is how the output looks like. Here I have given two predictors, weight and HP, and hence combination of those subset. And for each column in the data table, I will extract them into vectors, and this is how it looks like. And then I will create a temporary data frame with the predictors and response. This is how it looks like. And here I have gone for the combination of weight and HP, and it shows along with the predictors NPG. So once the temporary data frame is created, I will fit a linear regression model and extract the required info from the summary table, and finally create a data frame with the vectors. And finally I will return the data frame. So this is the pseudocode, and let me walk you through the function of how it works. So this is the data set that we have taken. Cars, their MPG, cylinders, displacement, horsepower, and so on. And this is our variable selection function. Okay, so we have created the function and passed the data frame, the predictor list, and the target variable. And this is how the data table looks like for three variables. And then I have pulled down into a vector. Okay, and I have created a temporary data frame, fitted the model, extracted the summary info, finally returned the data frame. Okay, so let's see how it works. So I have created a package for the function and I'm downloading the package. So I'm giving three vectors of predictors like displacement, weight, and horsepower, and the response is my MPG. So this is the data frame, and here I get the value of R-squared, adjusted R-squared, and p-value. And from here, from the adjusted R-squared value, we can see that weight and horsepower are important predictors. And this is for a two variable thing. Okay, so this is how the output looks like. I have provided the GitHub link for this function in the description box. Please have a look into it. Thank you.